Everybody, and welcome back to Apple Cottage. This is Sandy and I am Suburban Homesteader, Wyoming. Well, I'm at the community garden and I am laying out my carrot radish seed tapes. And over here I have 2 rows already done. I have little tags from blinds that were broken. I did a video about that. And then I just laid them out and covered them with compost. So I have my second row ready, or the third and fourth row actually. But the second section, and I have all my tags laying down there just to hold them down before I put the compost on top of it. And then they're about 10 feet long, and they end with my garlic on one side and my onions on the other side. And I'm just using some eco-friendly compost. And what I do is I just sit down right next to it, grab some compost, and I'm just sprinkling it on top. Everything is completely evenly spaced. It goes carrots, radish, carrots, radish, carrots. And I did a video on seed tapes, and I'll link both of those videos. So I'm just going to continue. I have my turnips, my lettuce, all kinds of stuff in seed tapes, and I'm just going to finish planting the garden. So this is Sandy at Apple Cottage, and I hope you have a great day.